Hey everybody, Dr. Nathan here and Dr. Brett at One Life Chiropractic and Gulf Coast UltraSlim. We're back with Dr. Taylor's 1 month weight loss journey with UltraSlim and our VitaminMed Kit. And we wanted to update you guys on how he's doing and ask him a few questions. Let's first start with questions for him. Doc, how's it going so far?
It's going pretty good, man. I'm still going strong.
Good.
Everything's pretty smooth. I've kind of got my plan down after 2 weeks in, and everything's kind of kicking on all cylinders.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
What have you lost so far this week? From week to week, from our last week?
I'm averaging 5 pounds a week, so I think it was 5 the first week, and almost exactly to the ounce 5 the second week also. So pretty good.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Dieting going okay?
Yeah, it's going pretty good. I don't know if I'd call it dieting or lifestyle change or whatever, but yeah, it's going really good. I'm meal prepping, doing everything that the VitaminMed Kit's asking me to do. It's super easy, it's straightforward. It does take a little time if you've never done something like this to get used to it. But overall, it's super easy, it's efficient, and I'm actually saving money on food in the long run.
That's awesome. How about exercise? You been doing any of that lately?
Yeah, my workout partner right here. We've been hitting Planet Fitness every morning at about 5:15, getting in just a little bit of cardio and just kind of hitting different parts of the body for workouts about 4 days a week. Right?
4 days a week, yeah.
Just 45 minutes a day, an hour a day, and just trying to really just kind of hit different parts.
What would you say so far has been the best part about the program?
Just the way I feel. My life is just a little bit less, I don't know what the word is. Maybe it's a little bit more optimal feeling. I've got a little bit more energy, sleeping good, putting on shoes and socks, and just random little daily activities are much easier. And so it just feels good to kind of see your body getting back to the weight that it feels comfortable at, and it kind of relays the messages along the way to you of this feels good and I like it.
Awesome, man. Well, we can see it by the pictures. You're looking good.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man. Yep. And anyway, so to update you on how he's doing, Dr. Taylor started out at 4 2/8 inches on his first week. Second week through, he is down 2 6/8 inches altogether.
Nice.
Here it is right here on the sheet. I'm going to show you guys our...
So how much is that total, Doc?
In total, Doc's down 7 inches.
7 inches in 2 UltraSlim treatments and 2 weeks of eating clean.
So, and we got another week coming ahead of us. So stay strong.
Going strong.
And again, anyone out there that's watching, if you guys have any questions about the weight loss journey, comment below. We'd love to answer any of them. While I know there's people are out there watching this thinking, well, what's this? What do you got to do here and what do you got to do there? So just go ahead and leave those questions down below. We'll answer them for you. And don't forget to like our page, share our page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We wish you guys a great day, and thanks for following us.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, guys.